Okay, hey, it's yet another Monday of the week, and it's time for my TikTok weekly live streaming on the Monday. So basically, if you have been following me, so my TikTok live streaming basically is for educational purposes in regards to you trying to use the internet to create income online. So the short answer for you is when you wanted to do that and wanted to do it long term, the skill sets or the professional knowledge that you should be equipping yourself with would be something like the digital marketing. Well, oftentimes people mixed up about, as from time to time, different social media become popular and trending, like for example, TikTok, right? So TikTok marketing, and it's very popular right now. Everybody is asking about it. Everybody is trying to learn about it. Fundamentally, is because they notice that it can be quite simple to start making income online through this channel. However, do note that TikTok marketing, right? If you are learning right now, either on your own or with someone else, right? It is just a small part of the digital marketing big umbrella. Do know that. And I noticed that in many aspects of TikTok marketing, right, there are some critical long-term strategy has been left out, unfortunately. I'm not sure why, right? So if you do not want to have that missing component to do it long-term, whether you want to do TikTok or some other social media platform, right, do know that this very important digital asset from day one, if you want to come onto the internet to build long-term, consistent, scalable, high income, then this is a very important concept. And subsequently, understanding it and carrying out the actions to build that digital asset is very important for you to know how to set it up. And that's when you equip yourself with professional knowledge about digital marketing, and mastering the skill sets of digital marketing would enable you to do that long-term, create multiple, scalable, high, or even passive income from it. The upside, one more upside that I can give you when you actually master digital marketing is you do not need to depend on any single social media platform. All right? Okay? And because do not underestimate the risk of you too obsessed or too focused in building your business on any social media platform. And there are already a lot of examples, even up to today. There are accounts being banned, right? Okay? And when the account, your social media account is being banned and you depended very heavily on it, that means you lost your income overnight, right? So when you learn about digital marketing, it actually helps to prevent you from getting caught in such kind of unpleasant surprises. All right? Since 2020, back then there isn't a TikTok, high trend yet. We came from those Facebook marketing days. Our account has been banned before. So we know the pain that we have to go through to recover it, especially when you are building businesses with it. So this is the reason why through my learning journey and in my TikTok live streaming, we go deep dive into a real online coaching sessions with you. So there's no chit chat, no fluff, straight talk, long term, all right? Strategy and coaching. All right. So if you are open to learn, you're most welcome to join me in my live stream today. And for today, right, my live stream will start at Singapore local time, 1 a.m. in the morning. And for my dear South African follower, it will be 7 p.m. in the evening for you. So this is another new time slot that I wish to test because I would like to engage more of my South African followers. Fundamentally, because most of you excitedly wanted to use the internet to create income. However, you are being cheated by fake opportunities on the internet. One of it, a very good example would be the fake AliExpress. So in my live streaming, I will disclose more details with you how to identify all these fake business opportunities. Right? So I look forward to seeing you all in my live stream. Thank you for watching and God bless you.